Categories are an alternative way of organizing information. Here we have several folders, each one with various contents. We can create categories based on any criteria. Here we have as examples categories by departments, type of documents, geographic area. We can assign one or more categories to the contents. We can search them by name or by browsing. This is how categories are assigned to contents. The categories offer us alternative navigation through the repository. In this way, we can see all the contents related to a department, for example. The contents can be located in different parts of the taxonomy, information that we do not have to know by heart. And at the same time, contents can share one or more categories. To create a category, we must go to the Categories section and click on the Create folder icon. This will allow us to create a new category listed in alphabetical order. Within the new category, we can continue to create subcategories.